Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we're going to be looking at a push whisk that I bought. Let's say that works. I first saw these on a market local to me and the guy was selling them for £20, which is quite a lot. So I had a look on Aliexpress to see if I could find them on there, and sure enough I did. And I got this one for £1.47. Around $1. Sorry, around $2, which is, you know, pretty amazing. And it looks and feels exactly the same as the one the guy had on the market. Quality wise, it's solid. So yeah, this is called a push whisk or a miracle whisk in some places, and there's links in the description if you want one. If you do go and get one after this video, I suggest you get one. If you have a look at this here, how it comes round and then it's a loop and then it comes round here, I suggest you get one of these ones. There's other ones that just come straight round with no loop, but these work better, so just make sure you get one of them if you're going to get one. I'm going to demonstrate how it works. I'm going to put some milk in this bowl. I'm going to whisk the milk in this bowl with a regular whisk for around 10 seconds or so, and then I'm going to do the same again with this whisk, and we'll see we'll see how it comes out, we'll see how well this works. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got a bowl with milk in it. There's a roughly 150 mils, and we're going to whisk it for around 10 seconds. Actually, I best time this. Okay, so I've got my watch and we're going to start now. Okay, so that was 10 seconds. I did go as fast as I could. And you can see they're quite fluffy. They're pretty fluffy. We get in at this angle. You can see that's not a bad job. Now we're going to try it with the push whisk. Okay, so we're going to do that again using the push whisk, and we'll see if we can get the milk to add more volume to the milk than we did with the normal whisk. We'll start now. You can see already it's working a lot better. And that's 10 seconds, and I'm sure you can see right away how well that's worked. I mean, look at that. That has worked really well. A big difference. Now, if you want to clean it, all you need is a bit of water in a bowl and some soapy water, and you just push. So, and it's that simple. Lovely and clean. So yeah, it is a cool gadget. I think I mentioned in my last video with the portable door lock, I think I said that that was the best, cheapest gadget I'd ever bought, and this is a close second. It really is. It's really effective, and it's really, you know, good at frothing up I don't know, coffee, milk, eggs. You can use it for, you know, baking. Yeah, it's my new favourite kitchen toy, if you will, and extremely cheap as well on Aliexpress. I mean, if you've seen these before, you've probably seen that they're quite expensive from, you know, the supermarkets and stuff. They're nothing new, so you've probably seen them before. But this, like I said, this video is for people who haven't seen these before. An excellent invention, they really are. So yeah, links in the description if you want one. Just remember what I said about these. Make sure you get one with this little eyelet or coil, whatever you want to call that there. And yeah, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to be notified of more videos and future giveaways, by the way. I've got some more of them coming this year. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.